In this video, I'll show you some tips for making sanding your drywall joint compound slightly less awful, followed by a time lapse of sanding the entire project. Let's do this. Number 1, wear your PPE. Wearing personal protective equipment is a must. You have to protect your eyes and your lungs when sanding drywall. The joint compound particulates that are removed from the wall when sanding can do some serious damage to your body. I wear a build hat, goggles or close-fitting safety glasses, and a respirator. Not only will this ensure that my drywall won't give me COVID, but it will also keep my eyes and lungs safe. Number 2, use a drop cloth at the doorway. Some of the tiniest joint compound particulates resist gravity and can eventually diffuse into other parts of your house if you don't keep them contained. If you don't have a door installed yet, you can use a staple gun to attach a drop cloth to the doorway so the dust doesn't escape into the rest of the house. Number 3, use a fan. That dust doesn't settle quickly, and containing it in your workspace means that it'll get harder and harder to see what you're doing. If you have a window or an exterior door in the room where you're working, set up a fan pointing out of the house. This will blow some of the dust out of the room while cycling some fresh air into the space. Number 4, angle your sanding screen slightly as you use it. If you look closely, the sanding screen you're using is built of a series of vertical and horizontal lines of mesh, much like a window screen. Run your sander in a completely vertical or horizontal position like this, you risk making lines in your wall. Instead, angle your sanding screen slightly as you use it. This will ensure that all of the area below the sander is equally treated, and you will be a lot less likely to be gouging lines into your wall. Freebie Bro Tip, invest in a pole sander to attach that sanding screen to. That way you can use both hands on your sanding device. They're easy to use and totally worth the money. 5, use a shop light at a harsh angle. Projecting light at an angle will reveal areas that are raised up in your mud. It's hard to see these without shining light at a harsh angle, which will make those raised areas cast shadows to help you identify them. If you'd like to see this room getting built from the beginning, I've got a playlist you can check out right here. And after seeing this video, if you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can do so by clicking the ManCycle logo right here. See you next time.